For the certification exam, your study guide is the exam objectives. And if you click on those, you can view them in here, but you could also download them by clicking on this link and you can print them out. And what you specifically need to study are these bullet points underneath each objective, because that is what the questions are written on. I'm a subject matter expert for Certiport. I've worked on these exams, and I know exactly how those questions are written, and they are written based on these bullet points. So this is exactly what you need to know. Everything that is in the bullets. Okay, as far as tables, you will see questions about tables, and they will focus on these specific tags. You will not see other tags listed. Okay, so this is exactly what you need to study. And we have covered all of this. Okay, but this is a lot of material. Okay, if you look, there are quite, 2 pages, and there's lots and lots of things for you to study. So to make this a little easier, I actually included some resources here for you. And these resources, I think the first three will probably be the most useful. Let's see, let's get out of that. And I will fix this so that it goes directly out here for you. But this is an HTML review. And so you can kind of look up here anything that you are unsure about. It even gets into forms. And this is a tag review, which I think will come in really handy because in the objectives, they actually show, tags. And this way you can just go directly to a tag that you're not sure of, and you can click on it and it will tell you all about the tag. And the CSS is very similar. So this is the CSS. Okay. And then you can, select the CSS and read about it. So the best way to prepare for this test is to study the objectives and make sure you know all of them. And down here, this again is showing you the grading scale. You do not need to submit anything to this block. After you take the exam, once everybody is done, I will receive the scores. And if you pass, this is where I'm going to post the points. Now, what happens if you don't pass? Then your score is prorated. And if you click on this, it explains how that works, how the proration works. So you need 700 to pass, and that will get you all 100 points. If you take 2 attempts, because you are allowed a second attempt. So if you take it twice, it doesn't matter if you pass the first time or the second time. Okay. If you pass, you get 100 points. But if you take the test and you do not pass, and you take it a second time and you do not pass, I take your higher score and I divide it by 700, and that is how I get your exam score. So when you think about this, you will still get points for the exam. Okay? You will not fail because you don't pass the exam. Okay, so hopefully that reassures all of you. And if you have any questions about the test or the study guide, there's something you don't know, please ask because I am here to help you. And good luck on the test. And if you guys could drop me an email and let me know how you do, that would be awesome. because otherwise I wonder how all of you do because I want all of you to pass. Also, if you take the test and you don't pass, take a look at the summary that it will show you at the end, because there will be areas where you scored lower. Take note of that, and if you let me know, I can help you, direct you to resources so that you can study those specific areas. Okay, so good luck, and I hope you all do well.